Hi, Prairie Rose colleagues. We are excited to introduce Prairie Rose Personal PD Bingo that will run for the rest of the 2019-2020 school year. Colleagues across the division have noticed how they've enjoyed learning together in the past while through division-wide book studies, instructional rounds, half-day PD sessions that the coaches have offered. And so we want to continue building a culture of learning together. And to do this, we're inviting you to play along with our Personal PD Bingo that will promote anytime, any place learning that many of you are already doing. So lots of reasons to play. It keeps us fresh by trying new things, whether it's in literacy or deeper learning. You can familiarize yourself with learning that others are doing across the division as you check out some of their artifacts. You get some credit for learning that you may already be doing, and part of that credit will be an increased access to some PD dollars in the form of prizes. Our bingo board will look like this. You can take a look at that more later. 3 ways to play on paper. You can either go to this web address in white and print it, or ask your principal for a paper copy. You record information or check the boxes off the text, and then when you get a milestone, you email or text Kathy or Cami a picture. Digitally, you can either scan the QR code here or go to this link, but instead of printing it, you would make a copy of the Google slide that it's on. And then from your copy of Google slide, you would link your artifacts, your responses. You would link things to the little boxes there. Again, when you have achieved a milestone, you would email Cami and Kathy to let us know. Last way is through Google Classroom. There's a join code here. So you go to Google Classroom, you join, and then you pick the PRSD bingo assignment, and then you add your artifacts to your assignment as you go along. As you play, you will attach the evidence, the artifacts, or something else that's a reasonable facsimile. For the first line that you fill out, $100 PD credit, 2 lines, $200. If you fill in 13 boxes, which is about half the board, $250 extra PD credit, 4 lines, $400. And if you fill out the whole board, that's a blackout, and you would win registration to a major PD conference of your choice, one of those expensive ones that we would help you get to, that we know that are often just that little bit out of reach. So we hope that this will be an opportunity to take advantage of many of you already doing your own PD and your own personal learning. And so we'd like to recognize that and maybe help you earn your way to one of those bigger conferences, or even a small conference that you just maybe need a little bit more PD cash for. Contact Cami and Kathy if you have any questions.